Autumn is quite possibly one of the most beautiful seasons of the year in the Netherlands.
Western Europe knows a moderate strong winter season, so many animals are preparing for the winter, as well as the trees that change the color of their leaves by extracting water from them. Also, it's time for the mushrooms. And mushrooms can be found all year, but are very abundant during autumn. There's loads of species. As much as 4,000 species occur in just the Netherlands. Some are very hard to determine, others are recognized by almost everyone. For example, take this one. The fly agaric. Highly poisonous and well known from kid stories. They are one of the icons here that show us autumn has arrived. Though poisonous for us, animals like the European roe deer, they love them. Many animals are preparing for the winter, but of course some of them are really shy. And to find them we often place these kind of wild camps to study their behavior. Red squirrels hide acorns, hedgehogs go in hibernation, and animals like badgers, they just take it easy during the winter. Also bats look for a place during the winter and often seek refuge in buildings. Autumn is also the time for spiders. Many spiders build cocoons that survive the winter. In spring the young spiderlings hatch and the cycle starts all over again. Now let's see if we can drag this spider out. It's a funnel web weaver. The web is built quite possibly by a Tegenaria species. But to be sure, we want to see it up close. Look closely. Now that worked, and we can all agree spiders are awesome and I want to pet them all, but we'll continue our journey looking for more wildlife that is preparing for the winter. Take for example this dung beetle. It's destroying this mushroom. Now when you can't seem to find any animals, you can always look for tracks. And these tracks are from a wild boar. And not just the footprints though, but also the devastation they left behind, looking for food. They will eat anything, digging and destroying everything on their path. Their tracks can easily be discovered. But with a better eye, we can also find tracks from foxes, like this one. Now we know the expression as sly as a fox, but this one we caught on tape.
Rest us to say that autumn is a beautiful time of year to enjoy the colourations of nature.
You can also look for tracks from mammals, for example, for bird nests and for mushrooms, anything. Oh, I will talk a little bit further.
Just enjoy nature itself. Well then, subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you won't miss a thing, and then we'll say howdy, and maybe until next time.
soort